Hello students, I am your mentor. Come with the next topic, next type of Laplace transform that we already started. So till date we covered two topics, that is basic Laplace transform and type 1, that is first shifting. Now we have started our next type number 2, multiplication by t. This type we called as a important type because in final exam numerical compulsory belongs from this type. So we carefully solve all the numerical of this type. If you have any doubts in my previous video, please feel free to ask me on my email ID or Instagram. Now we move immediately start with our next topic, that is type number 2, multiplication by t. First, we start our definition of multiplication by t. As we already know, f of t is our function, and when that function is multiplied with the t or t square, t cube, t raised to 4, we assuming that t raised to n, any t raised to, right? And if they are asking to find out such a function Laplace transform, so function that Laplace transform of such a function is minus 1 raised to n, derivative with respect to s, derivative again raised to n, phi of s. Okay guys, so this is the definition. We understand first what is the definition, right? So what is the t raised to n? And maybe a square, and maybe a cube raised to 4 raised to 5, and maybe anything. If n is a 2, that means we are taking minus 1 square here. We are taking 2 time derivative of whom? Laplace of f of t. Laplace of f of t is a phi of s, right? So we are taking derivative of phi of s here. Okay. So according to the definition, what is the first step? First find Laplace of f of t, that is phi of s. Then take derivative according to the t raised to n and just put minus 1 raised to n. Okay, so first step is the Laplace of f of t and taking derivative. Okay, so we are immediately start with the first numerical. We are starting with the easy numerical, that is t sine at. Guys, before start, again one thing remember, in multiplication of t basically there are two types, that is find Laplace and find, or they may be called evaluate integration 0 to infinity, like that they ask. Okay, so multiplication by t having two types, two subtype, that is find Laplace or evaluate integration 0 to infinity, right? So this type number 2 we divide into the two videos, two part. So we first start with the first part, that is finding Laplace transform. Then we move on the second part, second subtype, that is evaluation, right? So just observe the first numerical, that is Laplace transform of t sine at. What is the Laplace transform of t sine at? First understand, observe the numerical, that numerical is belong from the type 2, that is multiplication of t, right? Because sine at is a f of t, and that sine at is multiplied with the t raised to power. What is the power of t? Power of t is a 1, right? So what is the n here? N is a 1. That means what is the f of t in our numerical? F of t is a sine at, right? And what is the n? N is a 1. That means we are taking minus 1 raised to 1 and we are taking single derivative. When there is a t square, that means we are taking minus 1 raised to 2 and we are taking double derivative. When there is a t cube, that means we are taking minus 1 raised to 3 and we are taking 3 time derivative, right? So according to the value of n, we are taking derivative. So here value of n is 1, so that's why we are taking single derivative. So we will start with the numerical, right? So first thing, what is the first step of multiplication by t? The first step of multiplication by t, just finding Laplace transform of f of t. What is the Laplace transform of f of t? That is sine at. right? So Laplace transform of sin at, we already discussed sin at is a upon s square plus a square. It is the Laplace transform of sin at. Now next step is apply property or type, that is multiplication of t. When t is multiplied to the f of t, what is the changes? We are taking minus 1 raised to n. What is the n here? N is the 1 here, that's why it is the 1. Derivative with respect to s, 1, that means we are taking single derivative of phi of s. What is the phi of s? We already calculate phi of s, that is a upon s square plus a square, right? So minus 1 raised to 1 is minus 1, right? Derivative of a upon s square plus a square. Now guys, tell me what is the derivative of a? Derivative is again important part of Laplace transform. So derivative of a upon s square plus a square is derivative. Suppose we are taking simple example for calculating this. Suppose they are asking derivative of 1 upon s. So derivative of 1 upon s, what is the power of s? S power is 1. So it is a 1, that's why we are taking minus 1 divided by s 1 plus 1, that is 2. Just understand this concept guys. When they are asking derivative of 1 upon s, power, what is the power of s? 1. So that's why we are taking minus 1 upon s square, s plus 1, right? Suppose they are asking derivative of 1 upon s cube. So what is the derivative? Here cube, that's why it is a minus 3 upon s raised to 4. Okay, so 3, it is minus 3 upon s raised to 4. This is the simplest way to understand the derivative. Now tell me here, what is this bracket? Bracket raised to power 1. Okay, so what is, according to the derivative formula, power is 1, so it is a minus 1 divided by a is as it is, divided by s square plus a square raised to 2. As you see, 1 रहेगा तो there will be a minus 1, and at the denominator side power is added by 1. Here 3 is there, so power is added by 1, that is 4. So here power is 1, that's why it is 2, right? But it is not ended with this, because inside the bracket there is not only s, it is a s square, that's why we are applying chain rule here. So the chain rule is for inside term, okay, inside the bracket term. So minus minus it become a plus, so a upon s square plus a square bracket square into derivative of this term. What is the derivative of this term? Derivative of s square is 2s and derivative of a square is 0. So it is not necessary to write 0, right? So 2s into a, 2as divided by s square plus a square bracket square. This is our final answer. So this is the basic example of multiplication by t. Now we move on the next example. So next example is example number 2. Laplace transform. They are asking find Laplace transform of 1 plus t e raised to minus t cube. Okay, so example is 1 plus t into e raised to minus t bracket cube, and they are asking find Laplace. Okay, so before this start, we know that the formula of a plus b bracket cube. What is the formula for a plus b bracket cube? Formula is very simple, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, so what is the a here? A is the 1 and b is a whole term. So we are applying this formula, a cube, that means 1 cube plus 3a square b. So what is the a square? 1 square is the 1, so not necessary to write a square into b. So what is the b here? T into e raised to minus t plus 3 ab square. So a is as it is 1, so it is not necessary to write 1, and a b square, right? So b square is a t square into e raised to minus 2t plus b cube. So what is the b cube? T cube e raised to minus t. Okay guys, we are just apply basic formula, that is a plus b bracket cube. We are assuming 1 is a and t into e raised to minus t is a b. So we are just expand this bracket. Now what is the next step? Laplace we are taking, we are simplified this step. 1 cube is a 1 plus 3t e raised to minus t plus 3t square e raised to minus 2t plus t cube e raised to minus 3t, right? So all terms of this step are add in addition form. So we are taking separate Laplace of each term. Taking separate Laplace of each term, right? T cube into e raised to minus 3t. Okay, so we are taking separate Laplace of each term. So we know that Laplace of 1, what is the Laplace of 1? 1 upon s. It is our favorite formula. Now everybody know that constant we put outside. So what is the inside? Laplace of t into e raised to minus t plus, again 3 is constant, we put outside. Laplace of t square into e raised to minus 2t plus, there is no constant, so term will as it is, right? Now guys, just observe all the terms. We have only Laplace of 1. We are going to find out Laplace of remaining terms. So here just observe this, e raised to minus t is multiplied with the t, e raised to minus 2t is multiplied with the t square, e raised to minus 3t is multiplied with the t cube, right? So all these terms are multiplied with the t, so that's why this numerical is belong from the multiplication of t. What we do here, first step, we calculate Laplace of f of t. What is the f of t here? F of t is e raised to minus t, right? So we are just taking t for t, we are taking just pending. We are taking Laplace of e raised to minus t. What is the e raised to minus t Laplace? 1 upon s plus a, because it is a minus, right? Plus 3, again t square, that means what? What is the t square? Again t square, we are just taking pending here. So what is the Laplace of e raised to minus 2t? It is the 1 upon s plus 2, because it is a minus. Again here t cube, we are taking with pending t cube, so Laplace of this one is s plus 3. Okay, now our multiply by t is remaining here. So what is the multiply of t here? T raised to 1. So what is the formula? Minus 1 raised to 1 d by ds of 1 upon s plus a plus, what is the t here? N here 2. So minus 1 raised to 2 d by ds 1 upon s plus 2 plus, what is the n here? 3. So it is minus 1 raised to cube, derivative we are taking 3 times 1 upon s plus 3, right? So guys, now you think that it is difficult term, but it is a simple one. Just put all the values carefully. Okay, so minus 1 raised to 1, it is a minus 1 only. So 3 into minus 1 is a minus 3. So we are taking minus 3 here as it is. Derivative of 1 upon s. So we know that what is the bracket? Raised to power 1. So we are taking 1 minus 1 s plus a bracket square, right? Plus 3. Tell me, what is the minus 1 square? Just calculate this with bracket in the calculator. It is a 1 only. So 3 is as it is. Okay guys, we are, n is 2 here now, so we are taking 2 derivatives. Sorry guys, so it is, we are taking 2 derivatives, right? So we are taking one derivative outside, we are applying only single derivative. So what is the power here? Again power is 1, so minus 1 divided by s plus 2 bracket square. One derivative is remaining here. Again minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1, right? Here 3 derivatives are there, so we are putting 2 derivatives as it is. We are applying only single derivative, that is minus 1 s plus 3 bracket square. Okay guys, this example is asked in final exam, so calculate all the terms carefully. 1 upon s minus and minus plus 3 upon s plus a bracket square. Okay, so this term is over here. Now there is a single derivative pending, so what we do, so minus sign we are taking outside, so it is a minus 3. For taking, we are applying to again one derivative. So what is the derivative of this term? 2 is here now, so it is minus 2 divided by s plus 2 bracket cube. Okay, plus again here two derivatives are pending, so applying one derivative, so minus 1 is as it is, one derivative we put as it is, so remaining one derivative apply here, so power is 2, right? So we are, what we do here, minus and minus we can take plus here, right? So 2, that is minus 2 divided by s plus 3, 2 plus 1 3. Again one derivative is pending here, so this step is as it is, this step is as it is, this step is as it is. So what is this step? One derivative is pending here, so we are applying the last derivative, that is minus 2 is as it is, last derivative is, what is last derivative? 3, so it is minus 3 divided by s plus 3 raised to 4. So this is our final answer. Just copy all the steps and only final steps having changes, that is we are applying last derivative, that is at the denominator side power is with 3, so 3 we put minus 3 at the numerator and increase the power of denominator by 1. Okay, so this is our most important question. That question is asked in final exam, and lots of students having difficulty in this exam, this numerical. Now again we start with the next numerical, that is find Laplace transform of t into sine 2t into cos hyperbolic t. Okay, so we move on the next example, next numerical, that is t sine 2t into cos hyperbolic t, right? Just observe this example. Again all the terms are multiplied with the t, so we apply here multiplication of t. So multiplication of t is as it is, because we want to simplify the f of t, because f of t, one term in the simple form, one term in hyperbolic form. So what is the replacement of hyperbolic? We already discussed what is the replacement. Cos hyperbolic t is replaced by e raised to t plus e raised to minus t divided by 2, right guys? So replacement is simple one. When there is a cos, so we put plus here, when there is a sine we put minus here. So here a is the 1, that's why we are putting as it is. Okay, now Laplace transform of t. Now what we do here, 2 is constant, so we are putting 2 outside from the Laplace. So sine 2t we multiply inside the brackets, e raised to t into sine 2t plus e raised to minus t into sine 2t, because sine 2t apply to the multiply to the both the term, right? So e raised to t into sine 2t, e raised to minus into sine 2t, right? Now observe this term. Again t is multiply here and t is also multiply here, right? So we get two terms, that is first term is this one, second term is this one. Now we solve this. Tell me Laplace, we can take separate Laplace of each term. So t e raised to t sine 2t plus we are taking separate Laplace of t e raised to minus t sine 2t. Guys, tell me, according to you, what is the f of t here? F of t, as easily understood, f of t is a sine 2t, right? And e raised to t, you think that it may be a first shifting, right? Because when f of t is multiplied with the e raised to, it should be a first shifting. And again there is a t, that means it is a multiplication of t. That means this numerical is combination of two types, that is multiplication of t as well as first shifting. Okay, in the both the term there is a multiplication of t and first shifting, right? So 1 upon 2 is as it is. First we calculate Laplace transform of sine 2t. Okay, so Laplace of sine 2t is, what is the Laplace transform of sine 2t? It is 2 upon s square plus 4. हम यहाँ पे t और e रेज टू टी को एज इट इज पेंडिंग रखते हैं, बिकॉज e रेज टू टी मीन्स फर्स्ट शिफ्टिंग, मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ t मीन्स एज वी already seen -1 raised to n and derivative. Again we put t and e raised to -2t is as it is. We're taking e raised to 2t Laplace. So what is the Laplace of sin 2t? Laplace of sin 2t is 2 upon s square plus 4. Okay, now here we apply, in this term here we apply first shifting. So what is the first shifting of this? So again t is as it is, so first shifting of this is 2 upon, here positive 1, so we are changing all as with -1 plus 4 plus, again in this step what is the first shifting? Plus 1 here, -1 here, so we add all as with the plus 1, right, because in a raised to there is a -1, right. Now 1 upon 2, again we are taking Laplace of f of t, we are applying first shifting. Now we are apply multiplication of t. What is the multiplication of t? What is the n here? N is the 1 here, here n is the 1, right. So -1 raised to 1 single derivative of f of s. What is the f of s? We simplify this 2 upon, what is the square, bracket square, s square minus 2s plus 1 square is a 1 plus 4 5. Okay guys, plus अगेन फर्स्ट शिफ्टिंग हो गया यहाँ पे. नाउ टी रेज टू एन, एन इज अ 1, सो 2 अपॉन, सॉरी -1 रेज टू एन, दैट इज डेरिवेटिव, एंड व्हाट इज द एक्सपांशन, एस स्क्वायर प्लस 2s प्लस 5. okay, so 1 upon 2 is as it is, so -1 raised to 1 is -1, derivative we are applying to, we are putting 2 outside. So what is the derivative? What is the power here? Power is a 1, so numerator with the -1 divided by s square minus 2s plus 5 raised to 2. again same formula apply here. अगर यहाँ पे डेरिवेटिव है तो आपको डिनोमीटर का ब्रैकेट रेस टू देखना है. अगर वो 1 है तो ऊपर -1 करके डिनोमीटर में वो एक से ऐड कर देना है, एक से बढ़ा देना है, राइट. प्लस again -1 raised to 1 is -1, so we are putting 2 outside. So derivative of this, again here power is 1, so -1 divided by s square plus 2s plus 5, power increase by 1. okay, one more step we missing here, chain rule. What is the chain rule here? d by ds of s square minus 2s plus 5. again here chain rule is d by ds of s square plus 2s plus 5. okay, so last step we are move on the final step, that is -2 -1 is the 2 upon s square minus 2s plus 5 bracket square. what is the derivative of this? s square का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? 2s माइनस 2s का -2 और 5 का 0 प्लस, what is the next step? -2 -1 2 1 upon s square plus 2s plus 5 bracket square. derivative of this, tell me, derivative of s square is 2s plus derivative of 2s is 2 and 5 का derivative 0 होगा. so this is our final answer. okay, just understand guys. तो यहाँ पे in this numerical there are two types are combined. so first shifting as well as multiplication of t are combined together. so we are applying sequentially each type. we are applying here first shifting, then multiplication by t. so this is our numerical number 2 of multiplication of t, right. now we move on the next numerical. That is example number 3, Laplace transform of t sin 2t into cos hyperbolic. okay, this already done now. so we move on the next numerical, that is t root of 1 plus sin t. okay guys, अभी ये न्यूमेरिकल देख के ही हमें अंडरस्टैंड हो गया है कि दिस इज़ बिलोंग फ्रॉम द मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ टी, बट lots of students are confused here what is that root and how it is solved, because root is a fear of students. So how it is reduced? We know that root will reduce when inside term with the bracket square, that means square and root will be cancelled and term is as it is. So we tried to adjust our term with the bracket square. Okay, now t is as it is. What we do here, guys, we know that some trigonometric replacement we call it as a trigo replacement. As we know, sine square plus cos square is equal to 1, right? That means 1 we can replace by sine square and cos square, right? And again we have one more replacement, that is sine 2t, that is 2 sine t into cos t, right? अभी आपको ये दो रिप्लेसमेंट करने हैं, लेकिन दोनों के एंगल सेम चाहिए, राइट? दोनों के एंगल सेम चाहिए, क्योंकि यहाँ पे देखो आपको आपके पास साइन 2t है रिप्लेसमेंट के लिए, लेकिन यहाँ पे साइन t है. अगर ये फॉर्मूला को मैंने अच्छे से ऑब्जर्व किया, व्हाट इज दिस फॉर्मूला? साइन 2t, that means angle is double here, so that double angle will be divided into two parts, that is 1 and 1. अगर यहाँ पे sin 4t होता, that means 2t into cos 2t, that means 4 are divided into two equal part of the each term, right? So यहाँ पे 4 है तो यहाँ पे 2t और यहाँ पे 2t हो गया. Now I want sin t, I want sin t. What we do here? Again angle is 1, so we divide into two equal part, that is sin 1 by 2t into cos 1 by 2t, राइट? क्योंकि यहाँ पे साइन 1t है तो मैंने 1 को डिवाइड कर दिया दो पार्ट में, दैट इज 1 by 2 एंड 1 by 2, राइट? बिकॉज 1 हैविंग टू पार्ट्स, इक्वल टू पार्ट, दैट इज 1 by 2 एंड 1 by 2. जैसे यहाँ पे 4 था तो 2 और 2 हो गया, यहाँ पे 2 है तो 1 एंड 1 हो गया. सिमिलरली वी आर डिवाइड दैट 1 into 2 parts. ओके, नाउ यहाँ पे अगर 1 by t/2 है तो यहाँ पे भी हम क्या करेंगे? t/2 एंड t/2. ओके, सो वी आर रिप्लेसिंग 1 बाय साइन स्क्वायर t/2 प्लस cos स्क्वायर t/2, राइट? प्लस साइन t का रिप्लेसमेंट क्या रहेगा? 2 sin t इंटू साइन t/2 बाय cos t/2. ओके, नाउ लैप्लास ऑफ t. नाउ टेल मी गाइज, ये जो टर्म है, पूरा जो टर्म है, वो देख के आपको कुछ लग रहा है? अज्यूम करते हैं कि अगर मैंने यहाँ पे a अज्यूम किया साइन को, यहाँ पे b अज्यूम किया कॉस को, तो देखो यहाँ पे क्या है? a स्क्वायर है, यहाँ पे b स्क्वायर है और यहाँ पे 2ab है. तो ये किसी के साथ मैच हो रहा है क्या? a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर, किसका एक्सपांशन है ये? दिस इज एक्सपांशन ऑफ a प्लस बी ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर. तो यहाँ पे हम a प्लस बी ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर, मतलब यहाँ पे a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab के बदले हम a प्लस बी ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर वी कैन राइट. सो व्हाट इज द a हियर? sin t/2. what is the b here? cos t/2 whole square. That means a plus b bracket square, expansion is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we are just replacing expansion into the bracket form. Okay, now we can reduce, we can cut, we can remove root with the square. So what is the remaining? t sin t/2 plus cos t/2. okay, because that square and root will be cancelled, so t is multiplied in both the terms. So t sin t/2 plus t cos t/2, right? Now again multiplication by t means what? minus 1 raised to what? यहाँ पे n के जगह पे 1 है, so it is a 1 single derivative of f5 of s ना. So what is the Laplace of sin t? It is a a, so it is a 1 by 2 s square plus 1 by 4 a square, right? Because what is the a here? A is a 1 by 2, so a upon s square plus a square, so a square is again 1 by 4 plus again t raised to n, that means minus 1 raised to n single derivative cos t. what is the replacement of cos? s divided by s square plus a square. what is the a here? 1 by 4. 1 by 2 is a, so it is a square, that means 1 by 4, right? So this is the multiplication by t replacement. It is the definition of multiplication by t. So minus 1 raised to 1 is minus 1, so 1 by 2 we put outside, so it is a minus 1 by 2, right? Because minus sign is as it is and 1 by 2 put outside. Now tell me guys, what is the power here? Power is a 1, so we can write down minus 1 divided by s square plus 1 by 4 bracket square, right? But inside the bracket there is not only s, so we are taking again chain rule. So what is the derivative of inside the bracket? Derivative of s square is a 2s and derivative of 1 by 4 is 0, so it is not necessary to write down. And again same minus 1 as it is. Tell me guys, what we do here? Here we can't apply the same formula because यहाँ पे न्यूमरेटर में only constant term is there, here s is there, that's why we should apply here derivative of u upon v. What is the derivative of u upon v? V square derivative of u as it is derivative of v minus v as it is derivative of u, right? So we are applied here u derivative of v minus v derivative of u upon v square. So what is the u here? U is a s, v is a s square upon s square plus 1 by 4. So u upon v rule divided by v square, na, that means s square plus 1 by 4 bracket square. So v square is as it is. U, what is the u? S, so s is as it is. Derivative of v, what is the derivative of v? It is a 2s and 1 by 4 ka derivative 0, so not necessary to write. Minus v as it is, that means s square plus 1 by 4 as it is, and derivative of derivative of s is 1. We know that derivative of s is 1, right? Now what we do here? Minus 1 minus plus, so 1 by 2 and 2 get cancelled, that 2 and 2 get cancelled, minus minus plus, so s upon s square plus 1 by 4 bracket square plus, now minus sign we put as it is outside the bracket, so 2ss, that means 2s square minus, अगर ब्रैकेट ओपन किया तो क्या होगा? ये s square minus 1 by 4, क्योंकि ब्रैकेट के बाहर माइनस साइन है, so all the sign will be changed, and s square plus 1 by 4 bracket square is as it is. So this term is as it is, s upon s square 1 by 4 bracket square plus, now tell me 2s square minus s square क्या होगा? s square minus 1 by 4 divided by s square plus 1 by 4 bracket square. This is your final answer. So this is example which give you very difficulty to understand and to solve, but when you get initial step, that is when you understand how we reduce that root, that means we can solve this numerical easily. So this is example number 3. This is our 4 examples of multiplication by t, but we know that there are 2 types of multiplication by t. So second type of multiplication by t we cover in the next video.